Yawd Talk, Unfiltered Jamaican Podcast, Dilly Paul, K Extra. Nick's day here. Welcome back, Nick's.
Hey guys, what's up?
No miss her at all.
So cute.
Alright, so you don't know the deal already. If you're new to the channel, welcome and subscribe. If you've been here before, continue to support us. We appreciate it.
Yeah.
Share the channel. Share this episode.
Like,
comment, share. Yeah.
And tell a friend. You see it.
Tell a friend. Yeah.
Yeah.
So everybody still no good?
Yeah, man, good, man.
Yeah?
Since
Ready?
Last time. Yeah, I've been ready. You see it.
Chin is supposed to fresh, cause we're
Long
saying it
time
all
no see.
along.
Oh God. Yes.
You remember how the mic work?
Yeah. I'm good. Level's good.
Remember to subscribe up there, sir?
No, subscribe is below, guys.
Come on, so man, subscribe.
Yeah.
So the first thing we want to talk about is
But,
extra more. Give you an update for what going to Jamaica. What
yeah,
going
but just the violence, especially St. James, Montego Bay, I mean, I say where the whole heap of killing are going and broad daylight people are dead and thing, So now finally, the government intervene, you have soldiers then, and thing.
Wait, time out. You said in a broad day like them are dead. So
Someone kill
them
people.
Should have dead in the night.
No, we never said that, but it's just saying it's getting out
Chin,
of
this is a
hand.
serious topic, Chin.
You know what I'm saying?
Hey, wicked son.
Like, people are getting out of hand. Normally, if you're going to do something bad, or people, not say right to do things bad.
Okay.
But it's getting out of hand now in a broad daylight. People are dead right in front of you. You see what I'm saying?
Okay.
And so now, I guess, they might have to wait till they reach a stage before them intervene. You know what I mean?
Why?
I mean, I know why still, but I'm just saying, so now them have soldiers down there patrol. I see them even all I search all the school with them, basically every car pass. The one must stop it and I search it, which me think is a good thing.
Okay.
You see what I say? What do you think?
I mean, me welcome any help we can get,
Right.
but to me, that's more of a band-aid. That's not, you can't sustain that.
So I'm gonna say you're basically putting paper over cracks then?
Exactly.
Yeah.
How do we actually solve the problem, right?
Right.
Because all along you can have them resources that mobile for patrol.
Yeah.
And then if me live on mobile now and okay, now my community feel a little bit safer.
Right.
What if me live on another area Jamaica people are there? No, those mobile people are
I
there.
know, so the next, I get back to Mobile, but the next era of Jamaica where I go on, which would used to be country, where everybody consider country, and St. Catherine, a place named Linstead.
Yeah.
Be like gang war and them something I go on, and I said the daylight thing again, when I get slapped when I day down there car.
Yeah.
Me have people where live nearby, who go do business down there.
Right.
And like, man down there and I say, yo, I'm up on the phone with me and I say, yo, right now, I not feel safe down there. I say, you see me? Him just
Man,
what I do,
watch him get back.
that's what I do when I do and guy me out. You see what I mean?
Yeah, I mean, for me, it's like, we need a more long-term solution, dog.
Right.
I'm tired for your ear say, oh, cause remember that? Remember last year?
Yeah.
When them install camera in a certain areas?
Right.
Like, we're always hearing about these different experiments. I don't know what the solution is, right? But I can tell us that just put a bag of people in our community for 2 weeks is not the answer.
Yeah, but also if me are the criminal or the person where I do them things.
You know, so wouldn't you move?
Exactly.
Yeah.
No, not even move, I just lay low.
Bill,
Exactly.
make them search you.
Exactly.
And when them gone, you bust out 2 more head back. That's exactly what happens.
Right.
Jamaica have a different kind of problem here with
So
the crime and
what you
violence,
think could that be a solution for that?
Well, they always say they have problem with drugs coming in and guns coming in.
Right.
More than likely the guns. So like they need to probably figure out how those guns are getting in and stop support. They say the government have things to do with it, but supporting the guns coming in and giving it to the small people and like
Right.
to distribute.
I mean, how else guns come in the country?
Exactly.
Because we're not talking about a one and gun.
Yeah, it's
no
like
big AK rifles.
And not even just one or two. We're talking about like, remember they
get a shipment.
Remember them catch a shipment the other day.
Yeah.
They call that the
Twice.
shipment with them for catch.
Right, so them do that, but so the bigger one can go through.
Yeah,
That's how
they might give you the little fridge and carry the whole kitchen.
Exactly.
So like, I mean, if you ask me, I'm not going to do like what some loose man do and call name and say X, Y, and Z. But it's very apparent. It's almost like we're not stupid. We know how the guns are getting to the country. You understand what I say? What needs to happen is we need to start holding the people that are leading the country accountable, right? Because when I pick them up at school, them say, well, I want your yard. Are the parents responsible or vice versa, right? If the people in my Jamaica go on a certain way, and I'm not absolving the man that we are killed from responsibility at all. But the leaders, them need to do something, we need to hold them accountable. We can't keep saying, bad people alone live here. We need to also say, the leadership now do nothing to stop that.
Right, and then also like as I said before, all the gun them reach on the car. If as far as I can remember, they don't manufacture guns in
No
Jamaica.
gun is made in Jamaica.
You know what I say? So it's like where them are come from and all them so accessible now. I remember one time where only certain man would have gun or whatever, like a 1 man or 2 man have a license gun, and everybody knew because he would have been like a businessman or something like that. But now every man have a machine, so it's like you can't really give no man a tough chat now no more, which, you know, it's like...
a little picnic. You can't even pass a little picnic and go on certain way.
But it's just like, I know them, it's so easy for them access the thing, isn't it?
Right.
So, but I'm glad at least them might try still for step in for kind of like...
That's where I'm indifferent, yo, because what usually happens is, just like on the last episode, if you haven't checked it out, go check out the last episode. We were talking about how when issues happen in the black community or certain things come to light.
Yeah.
For a quick second, we're upset.
Right.
Then we forget about it.
Right.
We can't keep like, if you look on this and we're happy that this is the solution, and we always, and we're not saying it's permanent, but we're saying no, I'm glad them do something.
Yeah.
Them hear that, and what them think, in my opinion, them say, oh, this is good enough.
Yeah.
This is good enough. We got our numbers out for January. Then I'm gonna compare to last year. For January, we had X amount less killing and ray. And I'm to the rest of 11 months them.
Well, that's what I said to you. So what you suggest? What you think? How you'd approach it then? If I you with the inner power or whatever.
Yo, unfortunately, dog, me feel so Jamaica forget. I never thought it could get any worse than this. It have to get worse than this if you get better, yo. Like, cause all that keeps happening is you kill the bad man them or you lock them up.
And then there's
the
new
people
ones.
in power are still the same people that's been in power forever, dog.
Yeah.
So if me I look on a situation and me I say, yo, of all these different cycles over a span of, I don't know, I'm 30 years old this year. Over a span of my 30 years of existence, Jamaica has been a violent place. We've known for violence, you know, we've been known for all of these bad things, good things too.
Yeah.
What's the one constant, right? Cause whole heap of bad man are dead.
I'm gone, yeah.
Whole heap of rapists dead. Whole heap of thief get locked up or dead.
Yeah.
What's the one constant? The same people them in our power.
Right.
The same superintendents.
Right.
The same, you know, governors or whatever them call them. They're the same people.
And then it also goes back to money.
Of course. Expand upon that.
The country is very impoverished.
Right.
And they owe a lot of debt. They're trying to, I guess, control the debt by selling a lot of the property
to the Chinese people them.
Chinese and
Foreigners,
other foreigners
foreigners,
that want to buy in. But they need to find a real solution to get the country
What do you suggest?
lucrative, prosperous country.
What do you suggest as a
I'm
real
not
solution?
sure because I'm not really a political person, but they
But
need
is
to
this-
they need to try to solve the debt problem. But I guess that's what they're doing with
Alright.
as far as selling the country, basically.
Let me jump in there, so.
Yeah.
So you say you're not a political person. Why are we still looking for political solutions to everyday situations?
I know that's a good point too. If everyone was to just come together, but that's always the hardest part.
Right.
Come together.
Come together.
Whether it's a
Alright.
small group of 10 or a big group of 100,000,
Yeah.
it's always hard to get a group of minds to think alike. To say, all right, let's all we pitch in for just
That's true. That's a good
solve.
point.
Alright.
It happens all the time.
That's
Like
a good
you
point.
could just have a group of friends and say, all right, all we pitch in and we buy a mansion.
Right.
Everybody's not gonna say, all right,
Right,
let's do
because
this for
somebody
the
gonna find, it's not even find a problem
you know what I'm
with
saying?
the
That's
color of
actually
the
a great
mansion or
idea,
whatever.
but you know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
everybody gonna say, oh, but I'm not gonna get everything. If I'm putting in more money, I'm gonna want a bigger.
Exactly. I mean,
part
I
of
want to bring in my friend them whenever I want or whatever. But anyway, back to what I said before. What I think are also part of the problem is cause most of the killing we are going, to my knowledge or whatever, some young youth are do it. You know what I say? Youth were like fresh out of school or whatever. And mind you, all heap of them are educated or whatever. Cause imagine you go to school, you get all of your subject them or whatever. What you have to do, right? Your parents borrow money for sending you to school, everything.
Right.
You finish, I know you can't get a job.
So you do your part of the society.
See, bam, you do that now and you want to get a job now if you say, I'm start get back a food now or whatever. There's no jobs for you.
Right.
So may I say, so now, yeah, look around your neighborhood and you see some youth where them dip on the corner all the time. Them know the dad's not the neighborhood or whatever. Them youth they start drive some car and use a youth to have all their subject and you can't even like buy your shoes. You see me I say? So you say no.
Very difficult.
I wonder if I'm for those, you start think and I say, yo, you know it wrong, but you say maybe I'm start lean towards that. You see me I say? And I say you get caught up in a certain thing. So I say, enough time, them like Budri said, circumstances make me who I am. See?
Right.
And when I say if you use it as an excuse, but may I tell you, you're a product of your environment.
Absolutely.
A lot of the times you are.
Absolutely.
So I say, so like, Yeah, that's one thing. If them could have find something for the youth, them do that would have helped the problem. I think
that might also solve the problem where you point out, Chin, is that if one of the big problems is there's just no resources, no jobs, right?
Right.
And you them have too much idle time.
Right.
You can fix both of those by creating jobs. I understand it take money to create jobs.
Yeah.
But the amount of debt we have already, we're not going to get no big loan from the IMF or whatever.
Right.
But, right, Jamaica have money. Nobody can't tell me.
No, it's just like with what I talked about one time, the whole classism thing or whatever. Right. All of the money there, one spot. It's not spread.
It's like every country is like that. America's like that too. There's always a 5% of people where
have everything.
So remember I said things I forget.
Distribution needs to distribute.
Yeah.
Remember I said things I forget really bad before it get better. All them crime are going to dog. The mob in the garrison years.
Right. It needs to start.
The wealth is not affected.
Yeah.
Them to feel affected. So they're not looking for a solution.
You're right.
So until God forbid, until man start go up at them rich area and start bust up shot and kill people and
we're not
I would never incite violence to anyone. But I say until they get to a point where them affected, that's the only time that they will actually influence change.
That's I forgot who said that, but they always say that what you don't. It doesn't affect you until they reach in your backyard.
Right.
Of course.
Any topic. Yeah. Whether it's black people, gay people,
exactly,
poor people.
Yeah, until it reaches home.
Until it's in your face or in your backyard.
Exactly.
Sorry to empathize.
Like today I saw this clip with them show, right?
Okay.
And there was, I think I sent it to you. And I sent it to you too, I think. But anyway, it was where this guy, back in the day, black and white, the footage, seeing? And the man say, yo, it was like, this leader was talking like outrageous, and I said, yo, him only want certain kind of people in the country, and him only want, so him say a list, he must say him no want.
Was this Trump?
No, no.
You didn't send it to me.
Hold on, see? So anyway, him no want no like Negroes or foreigners in his country or whatever, and then one of the brother that they are listening, and I said, I agree with the brother, see? And then like, until the man I go through the list and I say, yo, him no want to Freemason either. So then the said brother, whenever that business with the speaker say, oh, I'm a Freemason, so now it affect him.
Care.
Exactly. Right. So now him start care with the brother I say, because I say kick him out of the country now. So the brother, when my reason with say to him, say, yo, earlier when the man say kick out foreigner and blacks, you never have no problem with it.
No problem.
But now that him say Freemason, you have a problem with it. So the man sit him down and say, you know, say, I see this up already. The same thing happened in Berlin. Me hear the talk there already, where like, and then all them get to Hitler, them conquer like Germany or whatever, is when them divide the people.
One by one.
You see me I say, so you split up the country so you divide and conquer, basically.
Of course.
Yeah.
So it's the same thing we're seeing again. You call him name, I never gonna mention him name, but that's what's happening again.
The orange man.
And basically, him do that for him own benefit or for satisfy ego or whatever. See? Alright. Next thing, what I say also was, I think Raga put it up with this white lady was saying she agree with the speech that Trump made the other day. Say,
she love him.
Say, the shithole speech, said those people from those shithole should go back to where them come from. She said, oh, it's so refreshing to have a president to speak in mind.
Of course.
And
she said, exactly. Say what they say with their friends and family behind closed doors and willingly and gladly.
Exactly.
Not talk about fear people.
Because she said behind closed doors.
So
she probably work with black people too.
Exactly. So like, them answer that or whatever. So the question was like, well, we think about that. The thing is, when I see it, I not even get mad. You know why? Because I know they're like that. Them just find a way now to let it out or whatever. So the thing with me, I feel to know is like you know how a person is, so you know how to deal with them. Me never expect no better from. I know there are people like that.
Of course.
You see what I'm saying?
So are we living in a hopeless state where we're just like we're giving up on people because
people are who they are? You just need.
But where's the hope? When are we going to be hopeful that?
I don't think you should be hopeful. I think you should try to progress, do the best you can for your life and your family, and try to build a safe.
Are you pessimistic?
A bit.
Is that selfish for you to say I'm going to take care of you?
It kind of is, but yeah, I feel like you have to be kind of selfish.
But we just talked about black people coming together to solve a lot of our problems, and now you're saying
no. I wish
not yet. You're good. You
black people would selfishly come together.
But how can we do that when you, as a part of black people, are saying?
What?
I'm not saying that I don't think we should group together as black people. I'm just saying in general, for the most part, you can't worry about what the other race is doing and how they feel about us
Alright.
towards us.
I think
But we're diverting
from
a lot.
no. We'll get back to it. But I said basically like where you're getting at or whatever is like I think when we get from where you are say is like fix what you could fix and then we'll come together. You know what I mean? So start by moving like instead of moving a whole heap of sand, just move a shovel first. You see what I said? When we get that way.
If everybody shovel a little hole, then we can build a bigger hole.
You know what I'm saying? So that's the way I get that. You see me? So anyway, so back to the thing at Jamaica or whatever. So I just feel like until it start affect certain people, then you'll see change. That's what we're getting.
I absolutely think that. Remember that the governor them and the people them with the real wealth of Jamaica. And we're not talking about entertainer them. We're talking about people them with the real wealth.
Yeah.
They're freaking unaffected, bro. When the crime are going away, them fly to Canada, are them gone. And then they on them vacation, them there came on.
Yeah.
They're not worried about it.
What would be so cool, like, I know this is probably not a realistic opinion or option, but I'll throw it out there. Jamaicans live everywhere.
Of course.
In this world.
Yeah, our diaspora is bigger than the people in Jamaica.
Every country have Jamaican people.
Would I put my money
It'd be so awesome if everybody could have just pooled together, whether you live abroad or you live there.
And do it.
And just give back towards the country.
Pause.
Make the country a better place.
Alright, so.
But then again, people are going to say, oh, I don't want to go back to Jamaica to go live, so why should I pool my money towards to help Jamaica? But your family is there too.
I get what you're saying, but say we pull the money together.
Where it go?
Exactly. Who would you give it to?
Oh, no.
Because they did that with Haiti. Wycliffe thief the money.
Yeah.
Allegedly.
No, but I'm
that's a serious question.
No, but I'm understanding.
I'm not saying give it to government. No,
but like,
I'm saying if everybody go back and just kind of like help build back a
help
community. Whether you give money or you help a community.
But that's why I understand.
It's very
I understand your idea, but like, how would you do it? That's what I'm gonna ask you. What's your method of doing it? Like, what you think?
If we're gonna just make like a time frame and people just go back to Jamaica and try to actually physically help the areas that you're from.
Okay, alright.
But wait, me go back and say, because we know a contract go to Jamaica.
Yeah.
So if me send out me have 100,000 US and I want to go to Jamaica, go help out Marcus Spain or Spanish Town or wherever.
Yeah.
I'm going to say, you know, so they're ready to mash up, we need to fix it. You think so me can just go hire someone to fix it?
Right.
No, but
dead. Because the people, them, just like in the shatters when the man them say,
yo,
we are in here, so?
Yeah.
You have to go to the man, I'm not talking about just the Dan them in the area.
Yeah.
You have to go to the politician them and the police them will come send them friend for lock down your team.
Yeah.
Pay only for pay. You can't just go help.
Exactly.
People want for them cut first. That's one of the big problems with Jamaica.
Alright, may I give you even a smaller example?
See, bring it back to reality.
No, but I have something that I think before you jump into the example that I would propose that's very doable, right?
What that?
Hire Jamaicans. Set up shop.
Right, I wasn't saying that.
Open a little bed and breakfast or whatever.
Yeah.
And get some youth in the community we usually walk around and bus gun say, yo,
try
run it.
Yeah.
Buy some taxi give and say, run it. You have to start small, like you said. Carry the little bit of sun where you can carry now.
First, yeah.
Yeah, but finding people that are trustworthy as well, that's another issue.
That's why I'm not going even smaller. I break it down even smaller now.
Our culture, we just need to fix up the culture, man.
I get it, but let's say even within your own family, right?
Okay.
Say you have a house at Jamaica and you want things to fix it up, right? You're not actively there.
You have to actively be there.
But so when I get to 30, you see what I'm getting at already. See?
It's unfortunate.
So anyway, alright, so me there I work the money for get it together so we're gonna fix up the house, see? And I'm sending, because I see this already, not first hand, but I've seen it. See? Yo, go son, you say you work for build your house down there. You have a family member down there where you feel like you could have trusted or whatever. You send the money there or whatever, and alright, you feel like progress are going on. It's a new scheme. Several houses are built up. Another you are built house, another scheme. See? Alright. So you send your money and you're getting pictures back saying, yo, this is how the house
I build up,
whatever.
Right.
Come to find out they're sending you pictures of the neighbor's house.
Of course.
See?
Enough.
When you go Jamaica now, go look on where you think your house there will be a grass over there. So them spend off the whole of your money.
Until it's cool
and then we were sending you pictures of the person house next door that bill.
Yeah.
So what you do in a situation like that to your own family?
I mean, God knows. God knows what you do. But the solution can't be give up on Jamaica.
I get it.
Give up on other family members.
Yeah.
You look on the one that's an isolated event.
Yeah.
It sounds foolish, can you go say?
I'm gonna try again.
But let's be fair, it happens in every culture because the contractors here in the US, them are thief too.
Of course.
So you cannot give your money to contractors here in the States either white people as
Alright,
well.
so that's why I'm going to bring it back to the government.
So we cannot only say it's only food.
Well, wait.
No, I never said that.
This is why I'm bring it back to the government,
You
right?
need to be active in what you're doing.
Yeah.
Come here, let's start at the top and when I try to solve them problem, yeah.
Yeah.
In America, if I ask somebody to do something for me, if that situation happened in America, I'm going to come, I have to do nothing to him.
Yeah.
I can't go court, get my money.
That's true.
There's infrastructure and ways to get my shit.
Yeah.
In Jamaica, I go to police, I say, yo, the railway, they look at me and say, no, I'm to the money, man.
Yeah.
Where my money there? You never pay me, or you should have paid me if you go look. So the government hasn't put in place any kind of security blanket but anybody will want to do nothing.
It's also like, it's crazy again because we're talking about money. It's like also, you cannot hand people cash. Even if you trust them.
Facts.
Do not hand them
No
cash.
trail.
When them still go to the pile of cash, it's like tempting to them. So if you are gonna send something, you try wire the money to like account or something where them not have total access to the cash. Cause people don't know if be able them still.
Absolutely.
You understand what I'm
Human
saying?
nature.
You can't get Puss Butta for carry.
No.
See?
Say it again.
You can't get Puss Butta for carry because I'm gonna eat it.
Yawd Talk.
You know what I'm saying?
If Zan was here.
No, but the real thing.
Z face with that drop.
No, yeah. But
You
think
can't
about
get Puss.
Puss Butta for carry because he's gonna eat the butter.
You never heard that. Please tell me you have.
People, if anybody ever heard that before,
Oh
comment
God,
and tell
man.
me. You hear that before?
Of course.
Anyway, Bridget, come on, man. See?
Jesus,
people
have
here, man.
mercy.
So, anyway.
Chuno, that's why.
So, anyway, like, yeah, you can't give people act stupid when they see cash. I'm telling you. Yeah.
So, all the puss are going to have the butter.
So, brother, dog.
I can't get it out of my mind. No, but you're right.
Butter.
I've never seen a cat eat butter, dog.
They're like milk.